From Harry Potter in London to beaches in Brighton, our next stop brings us to the bagpipes, castles, and possibly monsters.
That's right, baby. We're in Scotland.
Land of kilts, legends, and rain. Lots and lots of rain.
We spent most of the time in the Highlands, which honestly felt like driving through a movie set, rolling green hills in every direction.
And water, falling from the sky constantly.
Yeah, rain kind of became the theme for this European trip.
But even through the drizzle, driving to our place, we spotted this adorable little castle just off the side of the road. Like a mini version of the one we stayed in France. Scotland, just casually flexing.
This time, instead of a castle, we stayed in a timeshare condo tucked into the hills of Aberdeenshire.
It felt kind of like a log cabin, minus the logs.
The sunsets from the balcony, gorgeous. The forest all around us kind of made it feel magical.
Basically, we were one bagpipe solo away from Braveheart.
Lannis, will you come pull this bed down so you can see what's ahead? Just pull both of those latches. Ta-da! Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Come in. What happened? Oh, God. It sounded like something exploded or something. One day we ventured out sightseeing, or at least tried to.
And ran straight into road construction. The main road to everything we wanted to see was closed, and we had to go all the way out and around.
We stopped to ask a local how to get around, and she told Atlantis, just keep going straight.
And gave us a map. The road was anything but straight.
So now it's a family joke. Just keep going straight down the curvy road.
You can't come to Scotland without hunting for Nessie.
So of course we jumped on Get Your Guide and booked the Loch Ness and Urquhart Castle cruise.
Sadly, no monster sightings, just rain and fog.
But the gift shop had Nessie merch, and that's basically the same thing, right?
The chocolate was good, the cookies too. Nessie approved.
The castle ruins were super cool though, and we heard this wild story. Loch Ness is supposedly connected by underground caverns to, wait for it, Bear Lake, Utah.
kind of close to where we used to live. Apparently, Nessie's been spotted here too. Loch Ness Monster, international commuter, scientists, take note.
Let's talk food. Scotland delivered.
I was brave enough to try haggis balls at McGregor's. And you know what? Pretty tasty.
Yeah, he was the only one brave enough. The rest of us were like, nah, we're good.
They also gave us this soda, so sugary they claimed most people couldn't handle it.
But we're Americans. Come on, sugar? Bring it on.
Honestly, it tasted like carbonated bubblegum. Not bad.
Funny thing, the girls love root beer, and we've only found it once this entire time we've been in Europe, and that was in Germany.
Otherwise, it's been Fanta. The girls are starting to stage a Fanta rebellion. Bring back the root beer.
But one thing we did find everywhere, hot chocolate. Sometimes they'd literally just melt a chocolate bar in hot milk with whipped cream on top. Heaven.
European chocolate, need I say more?
We did make it to Edinburgh Castle, the giant fortress on top of the hill overlooking the city.
Getting to it was an adventure in itself. Lacey, Atlantis, and Kylie braved the weather and craziness just to get a closer look.
Parking was a nightmare, so the girls decided to jump out, run up the hill, while I played the role of sketchy driver and questionable parking spots.
I call it urban camouflage.
I'd say probably more like questionably legal. They got to see the castle and even a man playing bagpipes. Very Scottish. Honestly, by the time we hit Scotland, we were kind of spent.
Cramming all of Paris and England into a week equals burnout.
So we slowed down. Movies, board games, and microwave popcorn. Lots of it.
And rain. Did we mention rain?
Not the wildest Scotland trip ever, but still fun. Scotland, we will definitely be back to see more.
From there, we headed back down to England to prep for our next big leg.
We stayed one night in Allstock in a super cute Airbnb. Then on to another in Dartford. They were both adorable.
And now it's time to fly to the next adventure. We fly out in the morning.
Come back and join us next week to see where we end up next. You're not going to believe what awaits.
So if you loved Scotland's castles, food, and rain-soaked beauty, hit that like button.
Drop us a comment. Would you be brave enough to try haggis?
And don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for what's coming up next.
Adventurepreneurs out.
Who's back there? Yeah. Adelaide.
We couldn't find clothes that matched our vibe, so we made them.
Now people stop us and say, where did you get that shirt?
We smile and say upbeatoutfits.com.
You want to match the vibe? You know where to go.
Click the link below and check it out.
Just can't do that.